the main difficulties that we face during our documentation is, okay, people are illiterate, mainly the farmers. Hence, to teach them it takes a lot of time. And secondly, to teach them creatively is another important aspect, because they have to analyze the situation and only then they have to document.
All the villagers are not participating. They just can't understand why the analysis and why we are doing that. That is difficulties.
It's really the challenge is how they have a process of bringing together these different monthly assessment that they have of what's happening in one particular village or one particular working area into bigger analysis, because it's over time, and then to come up with an analysis of the bigger process. And for me, I realized that we need time for that. We really need to devote, let's say, 3 days where people can pull together their ideas of a series of experiences.
The process documentation workshop is very learningful for me, because before we have such knowledge how to write and proper document. The analysis part of the documentation is most important.
A lot of things, in fact, I have learned. The documentation is not only writing. In fact, this was the first knowledge which I learned.
To collect quotations from the field, so it is one of the very most important part of the documentation process. So often we forget while documenting processes to record the responses from various stakeholders.
And the analysis part was the very much important aspect which I learned, how to analyze with various examples, and this gave me a lot of new knowledge, and I learned.
And of course focus on the analysis and conclusion, not just describing the activities, but more become analytical on the actions that we do, which will help us in the learning.
Now the variety of ways of documentation we are trying to teach to our people, especially not only writing, but through maybe through the film or through the role act play.
Involving even the grassroots level staff and the farmers, helping them or facilitating them to do the analysis and the conclusion of the work even they do, so that they will be able to talk about their learnings.
From the farmers and consolidate the information, analyze among the farmers with their support and with their information. Then maybe we'll share the conclusion with the farmers.
So our team members will be discussing with the other colleagues, and the farmers will also discuss with other colleagues, and we discussed that we will have this entire process that we did here in 4 days. We will have a similar process with other colleagues there, involving the farmers also. And this document, we will not just show them this document and refine on that. We will try to develop a new document, and then we will have a comparison with this document, and then we will do the refinement.
Okay.
We can introduce the format and the indicators among the farmers in the local language, so that accordingly they can participate in a better way, and their involvement will be more.
With a lot of available pictures or video documentation or the ideas that emerge from the people, I will make use, I will analyze, I will describe, and I will document whatever also I am going to write. So, definitely I will be involving the people, we will be discussing with them, and we will be drawing the conclusions, and thus we will be incorporating in the articles that we are going to write. Now teaching the people is one of the important aspect, and at the same time learning from them and improving my article, so with the quotations as well as with a lot of pictures. So all these things I will be using in the field, and I will be describing as well as I will be analyzing systematically, and thus I can write my paper, my article